Now we are going to discuss about some problems related to the vertically immersed bodies. Already I have explained to you vertical immersed bodies and inclined immersed bodies. Now we are going to solve the problems related to vertically immersed bodies. Right, please note down the first problem. A rectangular plane surface is 2 meters wide and 3 meters deep. Two meters wide and 3 meters deep. It lies in a vertical plane in water. Determine the total pressure. What is total pressure? And the position of center of pressure on the plane surface. Position of center of pressure on the plane surface when its upper edge is horizontal. One coincides with the water surface. That means this is the one water surface. The top surface coincides with the water surface. Another one is 2.5 meters below the free surface of water. Another problem, this is the free surface. The object is 2.5 meters below the free surface of water. This is 2.5 meters. Right? This is 2 meters. This is 3 meters. In the both cases, what is the total pressure and what is the center of pressure? Total pressure formula already I have explained. Total pressure Cp equal to W A H bar. W is the unit weight of water or unit weight of flowing liquid. A is the area and H bar is the from the center line to the center of gravity of the objective. The distance between the free surface to the center line of the objective or CG of the objective. Right? This W is also written as rho g. Unit weight of water is also nothing but mass density into acceleration due to gravity into A into H bar. Right? Water is this image, this body is immersed in water. Therefore, rho is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube into G value 9.81 into area 2 meters width and 3 meters depth. Therefore, area is equal to 2 into 3 into H bar. What is H bar? H bar is the distance between the free surface of water to the CG of the body. Right. This is the free surface of water. This is the CG of this body. 3 meters from the free surface. Therefore, CG is equal to 1.5 meters. Therefore, total pressure equal to 1000 into 9.81 into 6 into H bar is the 1.5 meters. Total pressure equal to 88290 is the total pressure or total pressure force, that is in newtons. Total pressure force equal to 88290 newtons. Next question is center of pressure. Center of pressure formula, center of pressure equal to, in case of vertically immersed bodies, ICG divided by A H bar plus H bar. This is the formula for the determination of center of pressure. This is the formula for the determination of CP or center of pressure. Right, this is denoted by H star. H star is equal to ICG by AH bar plus H bar. Right, ICG, that means moment of inertia of this rectangular piece, moment of this rectangular piece about the center. Therefore, moment of inertia of this width is equal to 2 meters, depth is equal to 2 meter, depth is equal to 3 meters. Therefore, moment of inertia about the center, ICG is equal to BD cube by 12. Right? Now, B is equal to 2 meters into D equal to 3 meters, 3 cube divided by 12. This is equal to 4.5 meter power 4. This is the ICG, moment of inertia about the center. Therefore, center of pressure or CP star equal to ICG 4.5 divided by area, that is 2 into 3 into H bar. Already we have determined H bar is equal to 1.5 meter. 1.5 plus H bar 1.5. Finally, the center of pressure CP or H star equal to, from this equation, this is equal to 2 meters. This is the first problem. If the body is immersed vertically in the liquid, the top surface coincides with the free surface. This is the first condition. If the top surface is 2.5 meters from the free surface, this is the second condition. Here also we are going to determine the center of pressure and total pressure or total pressure force. Total pressure or pressure force. Here also same formula, total pressure or pressure force equal to W A H bar. Earlier case, the body coincides with the free surface, therefore the center of the item or center of the rectangular to the top surface is 1.5 meters. Here the top of the body is 2.5 meters below the free surface. Therefore the H bar is, this is the H bar, that is the center of the, that the distance between the center of the object to the free surface. This is total depth 3 meters, this is 1.5 meters, and this is also 1.5 meters. Therefore, H bar is equal to 2.5 meters plus 1.5 meter, 2.5 meter plus 1.5 meter, this is equal to 4 meters. In case of the free surface of the body is 2.5 meters from the top of the body is 2.5 meters from the free surface. Therefore, H bar is equal to 4 meters. Right? Therefore, total pressure or pressure force equal to rho G A H bar. Right? This is equal to rho is nothing but 1000 kg per meter cube, because this is the water. The body is immersed in the water, therefore rho is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. The G is nothing but 9.81 into area, that is equal to 2 into 3 into H bar is 4 meters. Therefore, our pressure force equal to the total pressure or pressure force equal to 1000 into 9.81 into 2 into 3 into H. H is nothing but 4 meters. This is equal to 235.44 newtons or 235.440 kilonewtons. Right. Now here H star is equal to 4.5 divided by 2 into 3, that is the area, into H bar is 4 meters plus H bar is 4 meters. Therefore H star is equal to, center of pressure is equal to 4 point H star is equal to 4.187 meters. Here you are going to observe one point. In case of first problem, H bar is equal to 1.5 meters and H star, that is the center of pressure, is equal to 2 meters. It indicates that the CG of the object always above the center of pressure, or H star. Therefore H star is 2 meters. This is H bar is 1.5 meters. Therefore this is the H star. This is the H star. Center of pressure is equal to, this is equal to 2 meters. In the second problem, H bar is equal to CG equal to 4 meters from the free surface to the center of the object, 4 meters, but H star is equal to 4.1875 meters. That means H star should be below the H bar. Therefore H star is equal to 4.187 meters. Always H star, the center of pressure, is always below the center of gravity or CG of the object, right? These are the problems related to, this is the problem related to body is immersed in vertical position. Now we are going to solve some more problems related to that object immersed in the vertical position in the liquid. Right, please note down the problem. Determine the total pressure on a circular plate of diameter 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters, which is placed vertically in water in such a way that the center of the pipe is 3 meters below the free surface of water. The center of the pipe is 3 meters below the free surface of water. Find the position of center of pressure also. Right? This is the given problem. Here we are going to determine the total pressure or pressure force and also center of pressure. Right? We know the formula for the determination of total pressure. Cp equal to rho G A H bar. Right? This object is immersed in the liquid. Therefore rho density is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. G equal to 9.81, and area, this is the circular, the diameter of the circle also given, that is 1.5 meters. Now area is equal to pi d square. D is 1.5 meters, pi d square by 4. And H bar, what is H bar? H bar is the distance between the center of the object to the free surface of the water, that is given here, that is equal to 3 meters. H bar is equal to 3 meters. Now we are going to substitute the values here. Therefore total pressure is equal to rho value 1000 kg per meter cube into G value 9.81 into area, that is pi into 1.5 square divided by 4 into H bar. H bar is nothing but 3 meters. Therefore total pressure is equal to, from this equation, finally total pressure or pressure force is equal to 52002 newtons, okay, or 52.002 kilonewtons. This is the pressure force or total pressure. Now we are going to determine the center of pressure. Center of pressure Cp is equal to, we know one formula, that is ICG divided by AH bar plus H bar. ICG is the moment of inertia about the CG, that is equal to BdQ by 12 in case of rectangle section. In case of circular section, ICG is equal to pi d power 4 by 64. Pi d power 4 by 64. This is equal to pi into what is the diameter? Diameter is equal to 1.5 meters. 1.5 power 4 divided by 64. This is the CG value, right? Now substitute the value here. That is equal to center of pressure or Cp or H star is equal to moment of inertia about the center, that is equal to pi into 1.5 power 4 divided by 64 divided by area, that is equal to pi d square by 4. Area pi d square by 4, pi into 1.5 diameter divided by 4 into H bar. What is the H bar? H bar is equal to 3 meters plus H bar. H bar is nothing but 3 meters. Right, finally center of pressure or H star is equal to 3.046 meters. From this equation we have the H star is equal to 3.046 meters. Now here also the center of pressure is below the H bar. This is the H bar. The center of pressure always below the H bar. This is the center H star. This is equal to H star. H star is equal to 3.046 meters. H bar is equal to 3 meters. H star is right. H star, that is the Cp, center of pressure, is equal to 3.04 meters. Right. Now we are going to solve one more problem related to the submerged bodies that are vertically submerged in the liquid. Please note down the problem. A rectangular sluice gate situated on the vertical wall of a lock. The vertical side of the sluice is small d. Suppose this is the sluice. The vertical side of the sluice is small d meters. The vertical side of the sluice is small d meters in length, and the depth of centroid of area, is p meters below the water surface. Suppose this is the water surface. The centroid of this is p meters below the water surface. Show that P plus d square by 12p is equal to center of pressure or H star. Right, in this problem a sluice gate is given, the depth is equal to d meters, and that is the centroid of this sluice is p meters from the free surface of water. Prove the center of pressure is equal to p plus d square by 12p. Let b is the width of the sluice. That means this is b. Now we know formula. Now we know one formula, that is for the determination of center of pressure, Cp is equal to ICG divided by AH bar plus H bar. Right? ICG is nothing but ICG is equal to BD cube by 12. Then A is equal to B into D. This is the depth, this is the width, B into D, and H bar is equal to P. Now we are going to prove that the center of pressure is equal to P plus D square by 12P. Right? Now substitute the values here. Center of pressure is equal to, what is ICG? That is B D cube by 12 divided by A B into D into H bar is nothing but P plus P. Now this is equal to B D cube divided by 12 into 1 by B D P. BB can plus small p. This is equal to BB cancel, D cube, this is square. Okay, now this is equal to D square divided by 12P plus P. Right? Center of pressure is equal to D square divided by 12P plus P, or P plus D square by 12P is the center of pressure. Right? These are the problems related to the bodies are immersed vertically in the liquid. Now we are going to solve one more problem related to vertical immersed body, that is the triangle shape. Today we are going to discuss about some more problems related to the submerged bodies. Right, please note down the problem. మొత్తం వస్తుందా ఈ లైన్ల మధ్యలో? Okay, right. Find the total pressure and center of pressure on an isosceles triangle, plate base 4 meters and altitude 4 meters when it is immersed vertically in an oil of specific gravity 0.9. The base of the plate coincides with the free surface of oil. The base of the plate coincides with the free surface of the oil. This is the oil. This is the oil. The base of the plate is coincides with the free surface of the oil. Right? The altitude is given, that is 4 meters. Base is also given. This is also 4 meters. Find the total pressure and center of pressure. Total pressure formula, TP equal to rho G A H bar. This is the formula already I have derived in the last class. Rho equal to density of water. If the density of water, if the fluid is a standard liquid or the water, the density of water is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. But this is not water, this is the oil of specific gravity 0.9. Oil of specific gravity 0.9. Therefore density of oil equal to specific gravity of oil into density of the standard liquid. Density of the standard liquid. Specific gravity of the oil given, that is equal to 0.9 into density of the standard liquid, that is 1000 kg per meter cube. This is equal to 900 kg per meter cube is the density of the oil. Rho is nothing but density of the oil. G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity, that is equal to 9.81 meter per second square. A equal to cross sectional area. Cross sectional area A is equal to, this is the triangle, that is equal to half into 4 into 4. This depth is 4, base is also 4. This is equal to 8 meter square. This is the area of this triangle. And h bar is equal to that is the CG of the triangle to the free surface. This is nothing but h bar. Right, h bar is equal to, in case of triangle, that is equal to h by 3. H is nothing but 4 meters. 4 by 3, that is equal to 1.33 meters. Now we have density of the oil, G value, A and H bar. Now we are going to substitute the values in the standard equation. Therefore, total pressure equal to density, that is equal to 900 kg per meter cube into G 9.81 into area, that is equal to 8 into h bar equal to 1.33. Finally, the total pressure equal to 9597.6 newtons. This is the total pressure acting on the vertically immersed surface, that is the triangle. Now next question, determine the center of pressure. In this problem asked one more question, that is the center of pressure. Center of pressure Cp equal to, or H star equal to, I have given one formula, that is equal to ICG divided by AH bar plus H bar. ICG is nothing but moment of inertia about the centroid, that is equal to, ICG is equal to BD cube by BD cube by 36, because this is the triangle moment of inertia about the centroid, that is equal to B equal to 4 into 4 cube divided by 34. Right, this is the moment of inertia about the center. ICG is equal to BD cube by 36, that is equal to 4 into 4 cube divided by 36. This is equal to 7.11 meter power 4. Now we determined here ICG, H bar is already determined here, and area already we determined here, and H bar is also determined here. Now we are going to substitute the values in the standard equation. Therefore, total pressure Cp or H star is equal to ICG 7.11 ICG divided by AH bar, area is equal to 8 into H bar is equal to 1.33 plus H bar 1.33. Therefore, center of pressure or H bar is equal to 1.99 meters. Right, this is the total pressure centroid of the triangle to the free surface, that is nothing but H bar. H star is the distance. This is the H star or center of pressure, distance of center of pressure. H star is the distance, that is the point of application of total pressure. The point of application of total pressure P acting here. This is nothing but H star. H star is equal to 1.99 meters, but H bar is equal to 1.33. It indicates that the H star or center of pressure is always more than the H bar. That means it indicates that the center of pressure always below the center of gravity. This is the center of gravity, this is the center of pressure. The center of pressure always below the center of gravity, right?